How long is the process to transfer IRA to gold and silver? Transferring an IRA to gold and silver involves converting your existing IRA into a self-directed IRA, SD IRA, that allows investment in precious metals. Here's the process and its timeline. Setting up a self-directed IRA. Duration, 3 to 10 business days. Details: establishing an SD IRA involves paperwork and choosing a custodian. The timeline can be shortened with expedited services. Selecting a custodian and depository. Duration, 1 to 2 weeks. Details: you need to choose a custodian to manage your SD IRA and a depository to store the metals. This step depends on research and decision-making time. Funding the SD IRA and purchasing metals. Duration, 2 to 4 weeks. Details: transfer funds to the SD IRA, direct transfer or rollover, and then purchase gold and silver. The actual purchase usually takes a few days once funds are available. Factors affecting the timeline. Custodian efficiency: experienced custodians speed up the process. Investor preparedness: quick responses and complete paperwork help avoid delays. Market conditions: high demand for metals can extend the timeline. Regulatory compliance: ensuring IRS rules are followed can add time. Overall, transferring an IRA to gold and silver typically takes between 4 to 8 weeks. Planning ahead can help ensure a smooth transition. Free Gold IRA Guide: learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.